Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel Ordel's Kitchen. Guys, this morning I'm going to share with you my chicken soup. Yeah, all my family, everybody is sort of like under the weather, they're not well. So I just decided to make some chicken soup, okay, and chicken and vegetable soup. So guys, I've got my ingredients here. I'm going to share that with you that I'm using. First of all guys, I've got some red bell peppers and some green chili peppers. Yes, we need a little heat in that chicken soup, you know, cut all that cold and that temperature fever and everything. I've got some Cajun seasoning and some black pepper, some complete seasoning. I've got some onions, some celery stick, garlic, green onions. I've got some my pumpkins, carrots. I've got some spinach there guys, and I've got my chicken here. My chicken is well seasoned and marinated. It's been sitting in the fridge all night. And here guys, I've got some cassava and some plantain. I forgot to put the plantain in some water, that's why it looks so dark, okay, and brown. And I've got here a packet of my Grace's chicken noodle soup, okay. So these are the ingredients I will be using. And I've got my dumpling. I'll show you in a separate video how I make my mix my Duff, my dumplings, okay. So guys, let's put this together. Okay, I've got my pot here and my cooker with some oil. So I'm gonna go in with my chicken and let my chicken fry up until it releases its natural juices and all those juices evaporate. So I'm going to let my chicken go now guys, and we'll be back. As you could see guys, my chicken is spring all its natural juices. So I'm gonna let that evaporate, and then we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, while I'm waiting for my chicken to fry up and brown up, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my dough. So in this bowl I've got some flour, I've got a little sugar, some salt, and some butter. So what I'm gonna do here now guys, I'm gonna add my sugar, a little salt, and my butter, and I'm gonna mix my dough now guys, okay. And I'm going in with some warm water. I'll bring my dough together. So sticky, so I'm going to add a little dry flour to knead it and bring it together. is my dough here, guys. Okay, this is my dumpling. So guys, I'm gonna leave this now until I'm ready for it. Set this aside until I'm ready for it and clean up here. Make a mess. Okay, my chicken has all the juices has evaporated and my chicken has brown up and it's got a nice good char on it, guys. So now I'm gonna go in with my green onion, cilantro onion, and garlic. And let all those flavors infuse. I'm gonna also go in with my red bell peppers and my chili peppers. Give that heat. I'm gonna also go in with my celery sticks and my carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and season up the pot. I'm gonna go in now, guys, with some pepper flakes, a little bit more heat, my 2 Maggi cubes. I'm gonna also go in with my chicken noodle and my cassava. I'm not gonna put the plantain now because it will just disappear in the pot, nor my pumpkin. It's gonna disappear in the pot. And my chicken noodles. I'm gonna give that a good stir. And I'm gonna go in with some water, guys, so that all of these carrots, my celery, my cassava can cook and become tender. So I'm gonna fill up the pot now with my water. So I'm gonna cover the pot now, guys, and let this go. Okay, guys, now my carrots and my cassava is almost tender, so I'm gonna go in now with the plantain. I'm gonna go in with the pumpkin and my spinach, and the last thing I'm going to add is my dumplings, because that doesn't take long. It takes about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go in now here, guys, with my pumpkin. All this is gonna add flavor to the pot. My spinach, I'm gonna cover this again, guys, and I'm gonna let this go and let everything infuse nicely and beautifully. I'm gonna let this go now, guys, for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'm gonna add my dumpling. Okay, guys, I'm gonna roll out my dumplings into little. You could roll out your dumplings in any shape you want, but I'm going to roll mine out into little tiny ball, oblong shapes like that, like that. And the dumplings only normally takes about 5 to 6 minutes in the pot. And I get about 6 of these little babies. Now, guys, I'm gonna go now and add them to the pot, to the top, and let them cook and steam. Okay, guys, I'm adding my dumplings now to the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna let my cassava, my dumplings and everything finish off the pot, and then we'll come back, guys, and I'll show you the finished product of my soup. So I'm gonna cover this and let it all cook. Okay, guys, look at that. My soup is done. So, guys, what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna serve me up a nice bowl of my chicken soup, guys, and show you the finished product. Okay, guys, this is the finished product, guys, of my chicken soup, guys. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. All the measurements and ingredients would be down in the description box. If you're new to my channel, you're absolutely welcome. Please hit the subscription button and that little notification bell so you would be notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. And I'm gonna go now and serve my family up a bowl each of this beautiful and delicious chicken soup, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.